Assalamu alaikum students. I am Miss Faria Human from Guards Public School 1. Congratulations to all of you for being promoted to a new class and welcome to all. As you know that we are not able to conduct physical classes, so we will be giving you a video lecture. Let's start our first lecture of computer subject of class 7. Before starting our today's topic, let me tell you the syllabus of first term. In this term, we have completed 3 chapters. First is History of Computer, second is User Interface, and the third is Number System. Now we start our first chapter. History of Computer can be divided into 3 ages: the Dark Age, the Middle Age, and the Modern Age. Here are some examples of computing devices. Those were invented in these 3 ages of computer. Now let us discuss the first age, which is the Dark Age. It is also called a mechanical age. The idea of computing system is not new. It has been around long before modern electrical and electronic devices were developed. Here are some names of that devices which were invented in the Dark Age. First is abacus, second is slide rule, third is Pascaline, fourth is Leibniz calculator, fifth is Jacquard's loom, sixth is analytical engine, and the seventh is difference engine. But in our class 7 level, we have discussed only the 3 ones. Abacus. The Chinese developed the first calculating machine, was invented in Babylonia. Abacus consists of rectangular wooden frame having rods which carry round beads. Counting is done by shifting the beads from one side to another side. It is used in Asia for performing arithmetic process. Pascaline. In 1642, the French mathematician Blaise Pascal invented a calculator that was constructed of gears and wheels. This calculator is known as Pascaline. It has gears. Each gear contains 10 teeth. When moved one complete revolution, advance a second gear one place. It was capable of adding and subtracting operation. Analytical engine. The arrival of the first practical gear mechanical machine used to automatically compute information dates to the early 1837. The year in which the father of computer, Charles Babbage, made his analytical engine. This engine was a steam-powered mechanical computer that stored 1020-digit decimal numbers. Input of this engine with the help of punch card. Review of today's lecture. From chapter number 1, we have covered these topics. First is mechanical age or the dark age of computer from the computer history. Second is abacus. Third is Pascaline. And the fourth is analytical engine. Hopefully these all topics are clear to all of you. If you gone through the previous lecture, now you are able to write the answer of the given question easily. Question number 1 is, describe the first calculating device in your own words. Question number 2, who invented the Pascaline? Question number 3, write brief note on Charles Babbage.